This is a quick screencast on one of your problems in the Chapter 10, Section 2 on chi-square and goodness of fit. The particular problem says, let x be a random variable that represents the average daily temperature in July in a town in Colorado. The x distribution has a mean of approximately 75 degrees and standard deviation of approximately 8 degrees. A 20-year study, which comprised 620 July days, gave the entries in the rightmost column of the following table. So the rightmost column there is column 4. This is observed number of days in years. Okay, that's your observation. Your expected is in column 3, the expected percentage from the normal curve. And note that these percentages are what you typically see. Let me scroll this here for you. What you typically see in the graph there showing area under a normal curve. Okay, so you have the 34% within one standard deviation, positive and or negative. Now, what I want to show you is how to do this on the calculator, because it's not easy to find a video that will show you this, and I want you to be able to see just how easy this is. So on our calculator, what you need to be able to do is you need to put your data from the observed column into a list. So we're going to go Stat and Edit. You can either click 1 or Enter, so we're going to click 1. So in List 1, we're going to enter the data from this particular problem. So we're going to enter 17, Enter, 86, Enter, 212, Enter, 206, Enter, 89, Enter, and 10, Enter. Now, that's our 6 data values for List 1. Now we want to go to List 2. This is where we're going to compute the expected values. And you don't have to do these on your own. Understand that you can put an equation or an expression actually into the list, and it'll compute the values for you. So we want to compute the expected. Expected here is the 2.35% or 0.0235 times the total number of days, which was 620 days. So we're going to say 0.0235, multiply that by the total 620 days, and enter. And see, it computed the value of 14.57. Next, we're going to put in 0.135 times 620 days, enter. Then 0.34 times 620 days, enter. And that's repeated, 0.34 times 620 days, enter. 0.135 times 620 days, and 0.0235 times 620 days, enter. Now we have the data in L1 and L2. So from there we want to go back to Stat, and this time we're going to compute the test. Now 10.2, you were talking about the chi-square goodness of fit. So we need to scroll down until we see chi-square and goodness of fit. When you get to C, C has chi-square test. It's D that has the chi-square goodness of fit test. And that's what we want, D. So we're going to click Enter. Now, where are your observed values? Observed values were in L1, and the expected values were in L2. So this is set up correctly. Your degrees of freedom is 5 because we had 6 values in the observation. So it's 6 minus 1 is 5. And we want to calculate. So let's arrow down to calculate. When that's highlighted, hit Enter. Here we have chi-square is equal to 2.35 with a p-value of 0.79835. So these are the values that you're looking for with this particular problem. And this is how you're going to use the calculator to find them. I hope this helps you. and I'm going to create a second video on using the calculator to find chi-squared. Thank you.